Welcome to the ACG booth at PMEC this year. As you can see, we've had a fantastic response to all the things that we're doing on the booth this year. We have a theme for the booth, and that is ACG Future World. The team here has done a fantastic job of highlighting the top 10 new introductions on the booth. I think the booth has lived up to our expectations. I think everyone's been very happy with the way it's turned out, and I think the results speak for themselves.